tic-tac-toe.
Yay. Okay. So we have these. Okay. What else?
These are the circles.
Okay. Lay all the
This is
your materials.
These are the four, like the wooden things that you put on.
And we forgot we should have a hammer. Hold on. Let me call Daddy. Okay. Yep. Sorry, I'm holding it. No, just that one. To seal.
The stickers.
Yes. Then we're gonna do the stickers and the paint.
Where's the paint? Where's the paint?
I know you're excited with the painting. Let's finish this one first.
It's really hard to build.
Huh?
It's really hard to build.
Well, do you want to be a carpenter when you grow up or not?
I want to be a doctor.
You want to be a doctor? Okay. All right. Other one. There's one more. Okay, one more last one. And then... Okay, that's fine. Okay, let go. Let go. I'll hold it, and then you start use the hammer.
So we already built it, and now I'm gonna put the stickers on.
The stickers.
Where's the stickers?
Where's the stickers for this?
Right here.
No, the big one.
Oh,
the pink one. Okay, now stick it in here.
Help me.
Up. Okay. Hey, go ahead. Okay.
So here's the inside, and we're gonna put all of the circles inside.
Okay. All right. We'll paint. We'll do the painting. Okay. I mean.
What?
You like this color?
All of them.
Oh, not too much.
All of them. That's cool. So we'll be using that much.
Yeah, we're not gonna using that much. Okay.
Give me the papers.
Okay, calm down. There you go. Okay, so paint the box like this, just the top.
And the top.
Yep. Use your other hand to hold the other side. Yep. Oh my goodness, I love the color.
Thanks.
It's almost like the color of your sleeve, don't it?
Yeah, my shirt.
I mean your shirt, yes. Ooh, that looks
I am
pretty.
the queen of pink.
That looks pretty, Bien.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, are we supposed to do on like the sides?
Yeah,
and the front?
the sides.
No, like
yes,
here.
you can also do that. Okay. There we go. Ooh.
But Mommy, I'm doing it smooth.
Yeah, it's a smooth painting.
That's how you become an artist.
Oh, that's how you become an artist?
Yeah.
Really?
And I am an artist is because I was born being an artist.
Do you want to be an artist? A painter
Yes.
and artist?
My job as an artist, okay?
Oh, that's your job right now?
I'm trying to focus.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, and then
But
the rest, the others.
I'm running.
Mm.
I'm running the whole day. I will be the champion.
Come on.
I will be the champion.
Okay,
I will be the
Goofy.
champion.
Come on. There we go. And do the other side as well. Okay. And this side, there's the wood color. And also the other side. Okay. Mommy's gonna hold it so you have so you can paint it. Maybe you need more paint. There we go. This is really nice. Colorful pink. So pinky.
A rainbow. Rainbow. Hi, Rod. I'm a rainbow paint.
Okay, then. All right, over here. There we go. Good job.
Well, I'm doing it always smooth. That's cool.
So what do you call this project?
Tic-tac-toe. Valentine's Tic Tac.
Tic-tac-toe.
I just want everyone to see my dab.
Okay. All right, Doc. Hey, are you gonna finish or?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. There's more on the side, on the other side, in the bottom over here. There's some more. There we go. That looks beautiful.
I know. Oh!
Okay. Are you gonna finish painting or are you just gonna play? Yay. Then we're gonna let it dry. Oh, yeah.
How about the bottom?
Bottom?
Yeah.
You wanna paint it?
No, just saying.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
And then and then, yeah, that's it.
So put